Welcome back to Peter's English Lab, your favorite place for easy practice. Today, we have a very special plan. We are talking about small things, simple ideas, big results. No boring books today, no long lists, just simple tips. Are you ready, Nicole?
Yes, Peter, I am ready. No grammar rules today, no big dictionaries, just simple tricks. I like simple tricks. They are easy to do.
For example, look around your room right now. What do you see?
I see a desk, I see a lamp, I see a chair, I see a big window, I see a computer. Everything is normal. Why do you ask?
Because we can use all these things. We can use them today. We can use them tomorrow. Do you have paper? Small paper? Small paper with glue on the back? Sticky notes? Do you have them?
Yes, I have many sticky notes. They are yellow, some are blue, some are pink. I use them for my work every day. Why?
Take one yellow note. Write the word desk on it. Put the note on your desk. Take a blue note. Write lamp on it. Put it on your lamp. This is a great hack.
Wow, that is funny. My house is going to look very yellow and blue. But wait, does this really help? It is just a small word on a piece of paper.
Yes, it helps a lot. It is about your eyes. You see the word desk 10 times a day. You see lamp 20 times a day. You do not study, you just look. Your brain remembers the word automatically.
That is true. It is very visual. I like that. I can put a note on my fridge. I can write refrigerator or just fridge. I can put a note on my mirror in the bathroom.
Exactly. Write mirror on the mirror. Write door on the door. Write window on the window. It is like a game, a simple game for your house.
What about the kitchen? I have a microwave. I have a coffee machine. I have a lot of plates and cups. Can I label everything?
Yes, label everything. Label your favorite cup. Label the table. Label the chairs. When you make coffee, you see the words. When you cook dinner, you see the words. It is very fast.
But Peter, my friends are going to visit me. They are going to think I'm crazy. They are going to see paper everywhere. They will say, "Hey, why do you have chair on your chair, Nicol? Are you okay?"
Tell them it is your new secret project. Tell them it is your English lab. They can learn too. It is a good joke.
That is a good answer. I can laugh with them. It is not a problem. But what happens after 1 week? I know the word desk then.
Change the notes. Remove desk. Write a new note. Write wooden desk or write brown table. Add an adjective. Make it a little bigger, but keep it simple.
Ah, I understand. First, just the object. Then, small details. Big mirror. Clean window. Hot microwave. That is a very smart change.
Yes, it keeps your brain active. Your brain does not get bored. It is always looking for the new notes.
Okay, I like the sticky notes. What is the next hack? Do you have another easy trick for me?
Yes, I do. Look at your hand. What is in your hand right now?
My phone. My smartphone is always in my hand. I look at it all the time. I check my messages. I check social media.
Good. Now, go to your settings. Open the language menu. Change the language from your language to English. Do it right now.
Oh no, that is scary, Peter. My English is A2. What if I get lost? What if I cannot find my apps? What if I delete my photos by mistake?
You will not delete your photos. You know your phone very well. You know where the buttons are. You press the same buttons every day. You know the icons.
Well, that is true. I know the green button is for calls. I know the blue icon is for messages. I know the gear icon is for settings.
Exactly. So when the text changes to English, you already know the meaning. You see settings instead of your language. You see messages. You see call. You see battery.
So I learn the words because I already know the action. It is context.
Yes, it is perfect context. You use your phone for 2 hours or 3 hours every day. Now you look at English for 2 hours or 3 hours every day. It is a huge change.
And it is free. I do not need to buy anything. I just change one setting. But what about emails? What about notifications?
They will be in English. You will see new message. You will see missed call. You will see low battery. You learn real English, modern English.
Okay, I'm doing it now. I'm changing the language. Look, it says screen brightness. I know what that means because the bar is for light. This is cool.
See? It is not scary. It is easy. You are a brave student, Nicole.
Thanks. I feel a bit international now. My phone is an English phone. What else can we change? What about entertainment? I love watching television.
Television is the best. Do you watch movies? Do you watch series on your computer or TV?
Yes, I watch my favorite shows every night. I love comedies. I love drama. I watch them after work to relax.
Perfect. How do you watch them now? With your language audio and your language subtitles.
Yes, usually. It is easy. I do not have to think. I just relax and listen.
Change that tonight. Keep the English audio if you can, or use your language audio, but put English subtitles. Or better, put English audio and English subtitles together.
English audio and English subtitles, both? Peter, that is hard for an A2 student. They speak so fast. I cannot understand the actors.
Choose a show you know very well. A show you see 10 times before. A favorite comedy. A favorite cartoon.
Ah, a cartoon. Or a classic comedy. I know the story. I know what happens. I know the jokes.
Yes. If you know the story, you do not worry about the plot. You can focus on the words. You hear the actor say a phrase, and you see the phrase on the screen at the same time.
That makes sense. I hear, "How are you doing?" And I see, "How are you doing?" On the screen, it connects the sound and the letters.
Yes, it connects them. And here is the extra trick. Do not just look. Do not just listen. Repeat.
Repeat, out loud, like a parrot.
Yes, like a happy English parrot. When the actor says a cool phrase, pause the video, say the phrase out loud, mimic the voice, mimic the pronunciation.
Wow. I'll be back, like a movie star.
Exactly. Say it with energy. Say it with the same emotion. If the actor is happy, sound happy. If the actor is surprised, sound surprised. It is fun.
It sounds fun, but my family will think I am crazy again. First the yellow paper on the fridge, now I am talking to the television in English.
They will see you are happy. They will see you are learning. Maybe they will join you. You can all be parrots together.
That is a funny picture, a family of parrots watching television. But it really helps with pronunciation, right? Because sometimes I am afraid to speak.
It helps a lot. It builds muscle memory. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice. Speaking English uses different movements.
Yes, my mouth feels tired when I speak English for a long time. It is like exercise for the face.
It is exercise. It is a workout. So, practicing with your favorite characters is a safe workout. The TV does not judge you. The TV does not say your English is bad.
That is the best part. No stress, no bad grades. Just me, my show, and some phrases. How long should I do this? An hour? 2 hours?
No, definitely not 2 hours. That is too much. Your brain will get tired. Remember our main rule today. Consistency beats intensity.
Consistency beats intensity. What does that mean exactly?
It means small actions every day are better than big actions once a week. Do not study for 5 hours on Sunday and then do nothing from Monday to Saturday.
Ah, I see. 5 hours on Sunday is painful. On Monday, I forget everything.
Yes, it is too much information at one time. But 15 minutes every day? 15 minutes is easy. Everyone has 15 minutes.
15 minutes is very short. I can do 15 minutes in the morning. I can do 15 minutes before bed.
Exactly. 15 minutes of sticky notes, or 15 minutes of phone usage, or 15 minutes of repeating TV phrases every single day. No exceptions.
That feels very possible. It does not feel like a heavy mountain of work. It feels like a small hill.
And over time, that small hill becomes a mountain of knowledge. Think about it. 15 minutes a day is more than 90 hours in 1 year.
90 hours? Really? Wow, that is a lot of hours from just 15 minutes a day. Math is amazing.
Yes, 90 hours of practice. And it is natural practice. It is not boring grammar study. It is active learning.
I like this philosophy, Peter. It is friendly. It is for busy people. I work, I have chores, I have things to do. I cannot sit at a desk for hours.
Nobody wants to sit at a desk after work. We want to live our lives. We want to enjoy our time. These hacks fit into your normal life.
They do. My phone is already in my hand. My TV is already on in the evening. My furniture is already in my house. I just change how I look at them.
You modify your environment. You create an English environment in your own home. You do not need to travel to London or New York to practice.
London is expensive anyway. My yellow sticky notes are very cheap.
Exactly. A pack of sticky notes is $2. Changing your phone setting is $0. Watching TV is something you already pay for.
It is the perfect budget plan for learning a language. I am very excited to try all of these.
Start today, Nicole. Do not wait for tomorrow. Do not wait for Monday. Start with one note right now.
Okay, I am taking my pen. I am writing on a yellow note. I am writing the word computer. I am putting it on the screen. There, first step is finished.
Awesome. You are officially on your way. 15 minutes starts now.
Perfect. Let's do this every day. Consistency is my new best friend.